So Claude Design has been there for some time now, right? And you might have used it to create one pagers, website design, pitch decks, but it also does video too. And I wanted to give it a try and see what kind of videos you can create. So, very simple idea. I have an inspiration in my mind, which looks something like this. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. So, very fluidic, very two-edge design, right? And I just want to see if I can use this as an inspiration to create a launch video for my own brand Adopt AI, right? Plan is very simple. I'll put this video into Gemini, get detailed instructions on how the design is, motion is, right? Feed it into Claude Design and see how it does. I just want to show these 3 steps, which is what Adopt AI essentially does, and also see how we can use ElevenLabs to add videos to it. So let's get right into it. Now I'll just copy the YouTube link, place it here, and say break down all the motion graphics on this YouTube video. Put timestamps and go in detail. And I think that's mostly it. Let's see. So you can see it's breaking down all the interactions, motion, desktop, etc. Right? So all I have to do is I'll just copy this. Right, I'll just copy this. Now we'll go into Claude. Here in Claude Design, I've created a new project for this video. Instructions are pretty simple. Again, you can go as detailed as you would want, but it's basically like create me a launch video for Adopt AI. I've given the URL. It needs to be 30 seconds and should cover the content below. Stop manual work, start running, and I mentioned a few other details as well. Now, I've also, as you've seen before, I've given it some inputs on the type of direction I want it to go. To be honest, it followed the instructions pretty well, which is good. It also created a final CTA thing, which is usually which videos offer as well. And within like I think couple of minutes it's created the video as well. Again, the video is here. Again, pretty damn good. Obviously there are a lot of mistakes, it's clearly visible, but I want to see if I can upload my design system and see if it can follow it. So let's see. Pretty simple. I'm giving it a Figma file and I'm telling it to make it on brand. Let's see. So after giving it the Figma file, you can see it has picked up the brand colors, which is good. It also knows how the logo looks. Obviously it won't be able to replicate one-on-one, but it has made a lot of these changes. I mean, it also picked up the right design elements, the way we've designed the website, so that way it's pretty good. What we'll do is do a very deep dive into what it took right, and obviously what we want to change. But I know, I'll tell you what's the best part. You can easily edit this text. So I can make this capital if I want, and it's that damn easy. All these things are editable, which is like, how do I say it, like if I want this section to maybe have a margin, if I want to, like, I don't know, if I make this minus 500, okay, I want to make it, let's say, minus 200. That's so damn easy, right? Now my text is free. So this is what is the best part about Claude Design, hands down, right? You can change these texts, so I can make it execute or something like that, right? So it's such simple. Let's do a deep dive. I don't know why this logo is here, first of all, and why there is launch now text. Obviously you can delete this on Claude, so that's easy. I like the use of colors. It's done pretty well. It's very on brand, and the font is also the same. I think this whole mockup is also very good. If there's somebody like a designer whom I'll give the website and the design file system, maybe he or she will also come up with something similar. I like how detailed it is, right? Running across SAP, NetSuite, and obviously there's the logo. Obviously with logos, the problem with all these AI tools is that it won't be able to exactly fit it in. Obviously there are workarounds for this, you can do it, but yeah. So this is the first screen. I feel this is the best one, hands down. This is best one. Obviously I've showed you how you can move this down, which is pretty good. I mean, doing something similar on After Effects will take a lot of your time, mind you. Even something like on Canva, like just look at this animation, pretty good. Yeah, this is the best part. I feel it's very clean. Obviously it's very basic also, but like if I want to create like a custom video for my landing page of this use case, this is something pretty useful. And this is the third bit where it talked about trigger run, and like I only see if maybe it says 247 invoices, maybe it can add 247 here as a number. Obviously there's the impact numbers also here, pretty good example that it's taken. The whole CTA section is also good. So yeah, I mean, these were initial thoughts. Now what we'll do is we'll put this video and try to create some audio for this, right? So I did some digging, and obviously ElevenLabs is an awesome tool, no doubt about it. So I was just figuring out. So what I did was, as you saw, we took the script, but again I matched it to the exact frame. Again, because this is a smaller video, it's easy to do it. You can easily do it with ElevenLabs Studio. Select the voice, and you have a lot of settings as well. Obviously you can exactly pinpoint where do you want which voice. Very straightforward, very easy. And I also went into something called generate background music. Again, it didn't do a very good job, but maybe I didn't describe it well enough. But here's the final result.
Stop manual work, start running. Adopt is autonomous operations for your existing stack. Connect anything you run on, your ERP, your CRM, and even the legacy apps. Describe what you want done in plain language. Adopt builds the agents for you. Run it on a schedule, on an event, on demand, whatever suits you. Connect, describe, run. Go to adopt.ai.
I mean, this is terrific. I mean, obviously there's so much things you can polish, do it better, but I mean, just imagine giving it to a video editor. Like, this is easily, I would say, a 5-hour job, and I'm just not including the voiceover, etc. this is easily 5-6 hour job, right? Your editor will take maybe a couple of days if you're giving him a full-time thing. So this is pretty good. What I'll do is probably I'll experiment a bit more and come back with some tips for you, but that's all for the video. Hope you liked it. Let me know how are you using Claude Design, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.